Sir, for AFC Champions League, FC Goa has been qualified and the match will going to happen with Al Nassr FC. As a passionate football lover, enthusiast, what do you like to say?
I think this would be, I would call, a golden moment for Indian football, and particularly for FC Goa, having two players, Brisson Fernandes and Sahil Tavora, as Goans playing in that team, even Jingan for that matter. Imagine them tackling Ronaldo or taking the ball past them. It will that those memories will never fade away from their memories as well as memory of all football lovers and our Goans. I think Goans are raring to see Ronaldo if it happens, and we want it to happen. I think this would be a defining moment also to show that we are no less a football playing nation, a football loving nation. As you know, Goans love football. It is like shitkodi for them, the staple rice and curry. The football is like a staple diet where everybody loves to play the game, everybody loves to see the game. But we are always dreaming and dreaming when we will reach that level. These are those defining moments which can propel people to reach moments never thought of achievable before. And we want that to happen. That's why it's going to be a very happy thing that Ronaldo's team, Al Nassr, will choose to play here at Fatorda in Goa. I think that will be a rare moment for all of us. And once that happens, it's always a harbinger of other good matches to follow, other good players to come, other good things to happen. I think that thereafter the football will be on its ascendancy.
Sir, if the match happens in India or here in Goa, is there any possibility of Cristiano Ronaldo coming and attending?
I think they are making all efforts to see that being a owner of the club and he playing for that club, that he comes and plays. It will be a very defining moment. It would be an awesome moment for Indian football as well as the fans. Not only to see him play, perhaps to see him play, there will be limited capacity of the stadium. But I can imagine the lineup that will be there all along the road just to have a glimpse of him. What always happens all over the world could be a great thing.
Sir, what do you like to say about the efforts of FC Goa?
I think FC Goa has done an exceptionally good job, a wonderful job right from its inception, and they have taken football to a different level altogether. The different coaches have contributed in molding our players into really good stuff with their talent, showcasing that the Goans have it in them. Football runs in their veins, football runs in their blood. So this is something which only has to come to the fore, and these coaches, the management as well as the team has managed to do it very well. I compliment all of them for putting in joint efforts to make it happen.
Sir, can we assume you're going to watch this match live from your busy schedule?
Yes, of course. In fact, I always watch any match of FC Goa. You see me at the stadium, and why would I miss this particular match? Everybody would love to be at that match, and I would ensure that I am there by hook or crook.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.